from LA by way of the Bay, business director, the one with the rhinestone microphone, making it happen. I'm pretty sure she's going to get a tap on the shoulder from our convention and events staff, right? To say, hey, can you host this convention? Because she absolutely brings the passion. So, Miss Princess Map, I'm going to turn the call over to you, my dear.
Thank you so much. Coming from one of the world's greatest mentors that I've ever experienced reminds me that I was, if they didn't know how to count, if they counted me out. So I love that. So I couldn't find my mic, but I was definitely going to come with it. But I'm going to bring the shiny little pin. Thank you. It's such an honor to be here with you guys. We are in the middle of the week, almost in the middle of the month, and the time is counting down. Convention is around the corner, and I'm so proud of everyone that has decided to say yes to their business. So yes, I am Princess. If you don't know, I'm a business director here at the best company in the world, our Infinite company. They allow me to be at my best, right, at all times, and constantly improving with the leadership that I am connected here at OIC, that we all have, we could reach out and touch. And I think that's a big thing. So yeah, let's get this party started, you guys. I know we have some housekeeping rules. So if you can turn your camera on, how you do anything is how you do everything, right? So we want to make sure we can see your lovely faces. Please mute your phones because I will call you out if you say something while we're talking. And then dress for success, right? No rubber ducky and bunny ears. We want to make sure that everybody, is professional, because that's how you are meeting your clients on a regular basis. And take lots of notes. Make sure you have your pen, your pad, because every time in our meetings, there's so much that so many gems that are dropped. So let's find out what is happening during the week. Oh, wait. We have these pod leaders, and I'm expecting to see all of you and your faces on this board. Our faces will get smaller and smaller. If you guys you might want to take a screenshot. These are the emails and phone numbers. Like I said, they're only a hand away. Mr. Samad, Brian Swisher, Mikkel Mecki, Kimberly Howard, Sean Hoyer, Hans Augustin, myself, and Akil Rashid. We are all here to serve you guys. So be sure you take a note, screenshot that. And I can't wait to see your faces up here as well. All righty. So, yes, so this evening we are graced with myself and Miss Marlena, where she's going to be doing our recognition. And we have our two lovely, amazing young ladies that are our business coordinators, Christine and Natalie. They are going to drop some gems. You got to definitely tune in to what the information they're going to be giving us tonight. And then I have two lovely ladies, Kaylin and Sheila, that we're going to spotlight, right? Both of them are training associates, but I hear they are fire and they are in the building. Yes, and yes. And this flyer, you guys, make sure you send that out so your partners can get on this call if they haven't got on yet. All right, what happens during the week? These are our training and our cash flow. We have the wealth formula that goes on every Tuesday at 7:30 Central. All the numbers are Central usually, guys, so be sure to make a note of that because we are throughout the United States and growing, and in Canada. And we have our chess and checkers. That is our winner circle that we do Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And you want to get on that call because really that's where it all starts, making sure your mind is set right. And then every Wednesday we have our $1 million call, which will be happening after this call this evening. That's when we help you invite your clients on and let them hear the good news of how to make their kid a millionaire, especially right now, because there's other people out there trying to make their, say, hey, make your kid a millionaire. And there are differences. So we want to educate them properly. Then we have a small business retirement program. This academy happens every Wednesday in the afternoon, Central, 12 p.m. Central, with our other business director, Brian Swisher. A lot of knowledge. You do need to attend this if you plan to go out into the field and talk to small businesses. And then we have our LinkedIn. A lot of you guys have graced us from LinkedIn. This is where you learn how to, organically do leads, right? How to reach out to people and And you're going to be surprised that people are actually looking for you. So you want to get on this call and you want to know how to do it. It's not just like a text or, it's something that we do strategically. And I could, if you came from LinkedIn, I'd love for you to put a 2 in the chat so people can see how effective this actual workshop is, right? You guys, LinkedIn is hot. Now, we also have our YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, you got time. You can, matter of fact, while I'm doing this, you can go right on there and go subscribe to the YouTube channel. You're going to find all of our videos, I'm not sure about the $1 million mindset because got to get there. But everything else, the training, everything else you need to go back and get a refresher, go subscribe to that channel, Supreme Life. All right. And then every once a month, right, we have our Getting Started Right course. This is where if you have not attended this, you have to get certified and you have to go into this session and this course. Now, you're going to set aside a little time on a Saturday, right? Make sure you got everything put away, but it is so rewarding because you're going to come out equipped and ready to hit the ground running, understanding how all the bells and whistles work here. And now we also have our business opportunity. And we are enlisting a lot of you guys, right? Maybe a little shy, but we want you guys to step up to the plate and do this presentation. This is our business opportunity that happens every Saturday. And it actually also happens on Monday during our entrepreneur meeting. So this call is very important, right? You want to either invite clients to or potential business partners. And then we also have the academy, right? When you join this company, right? You're like, ooh, what? You help teachers? Well, this is where the secret sauce all happens. This is where you get to see, I believe it's every second Saturday of the month, but you have to go here. You can't walk on a campus if you do not attend this academy. I'm just saying, man, it might not be true, but I'm just saying you cannot go into this campus without attending this, and you really see the success of everyone that has been utilizing this system, and they're not paying for leads at all. Then we have the wealth showdown, right? How money works. We get to really see, the wealth showdown, is where you can learn about the IUL as well as versus the real estate. And this is something that happens once a week. You have to get in here, understand, on a Thursday night, and it's stuff you may not even know. So it's good to just jump in so you can have your mind refreshed and know when you're out there in the field what's really going on. And then we have our Supreme Prayer Call. This happens Monday through Friday, and it gets us through the weekend. It gets us through every day. And with our not lovely, but our Mr. Bishop past partner, past prophet, Mr. Hans Augustine himself. He graces us with this call. And for me, it's 6 a.m. and it's bright and early, but I tell you what, it fuels your day. And then we have our national meeting that happens every Monday. This is a call that happens in the morning. Again, 8 a.m. in Pacific, 10 a.m. in Central, and 11 for Eastern. You don't want to miss that call because we all get together and see the success of everyone across the United States as we're growing rapidly. So you guys take a picture. These are the calls that we want you to be on, or we want you to invite your clients on. Next, move that buzz slide. All righty, here we go. You can screenshot this. There's the QR codes. You got no excuse. There's the training calendar and the cash flow. You might want to get with your BD, find out how you can lock that in your calendar so you can get notified. No excuses. This is where all the secret sauce is and where you see the duplication of success here at Supreme University, Supreme Team. Team is a bad word, but Supreme. All righty. Next, please. Let's see. Woo! All right. Well, we are going to be graced by Miss Marlena Smith. She's going to do our recognition this evening. Miss Marlena, I know you're in the building. I love that picture. So beautiful. Let me go ahead and mute and pull you up to the stage.
Hello, Supreme Team. So you guys know what time it is. Unmute your mics. go crazy. We're about to celebrate our team that has gone out, and I cannot see the dates, but this last past week and helped families, brought on new business partners, and are making an impact in this world. So recognition from June 29th to July 5th. Let me hear you guys cheering on your fellow
Let's go. Let's go.
partners.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, Mr. Ridley.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All
Let's go,
right. I
Mr.
see you,
Ridley.
Drew.
Miss Michelle Dallas.
Mr.
Go,
Ridley.
Miss
Go,
Dallas. Let's get it.
Make sure.
Let's go, Miss Michelle.
All right.
Let's go, Miss
Congratulations.
Stella.
Let's go, Miss
Hey,
Tammy.
Tammy.
Great job.
Awesome.
Awesome.
All right.
Let's go.
Squires.
Let's go.
Way to go.
Let's go.
Great submission. Great job.
Let's go.
Miss
Let's
Kim.
go.
Really? Yes.
Let's go, Miss
Great.
Howard.
Awesome.
Let's go.
Let's go,
Way to
Miss
go,
Deanna.
Deandra.
Let's go.
Did it 3,252. Miss DeAndre. Great job, ladies.
All right.
Okay,
Miss
Anthony.
Let's get it.
Great.
Go, Anthony.
Let's go, Mr. Prasad. Let's go, Miss
All right,
Christine.
Christine.
1,196. Great job.
Okay.
Awesome.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, let's
Right,
go,
that's
Miss
on a
Iron
week.
Squires. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Way to go.
Way to put five,
Let's go.
help
Let's
5
get it.
minutes in a week. Let's go. Congratulations. Let's go,
Let's
Kimberly.
go, Miss Howard. Let's go, Miss
Let's go.
Deandra Brown.
Way to
Let's
go,
get it.
Deandra.
Let's get it.
Let's go, Deandra.
Submitted still. Miss DeAndre Brown. 2 by
Miss
Let's
Christine.
go,
Right,
Miss
way to go.
Christine. Let's get it.
Dallas.
Let's go,
Miss Michelle Dallas. Let's get it.
Jolie.
Keep it up,
Congrats.
ladies. Keep it up.
Okay,
All
Miss
right,
Miss
Christina.
Miss Thorner. Let's get it.
See
Let's go,
ya.
Miss
Let's go, Mr. Prasad. Let's go. Let's
Anthony.
go.
Let's go, Anthony.
Anthony, way to go.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Job.
Let's get it. Let's go, Miss
Go, Miss Hans.
Great.
Let's
Wonderful.
Let's go, Miss Marilyn. Let's go. Let's go.
Congrats.
Mr.
All right.
Right.
Let's get
Okay,
it.
okay, Hans.
The
I see
Hans.
ya.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Didn't come to play. Hurt feelings.
Let's go, Sean.
Okay,
Let's go,
Miss
Mr. Hood.
Great.
Let's go, Miss Tammy. Let's go.
Hey, Miss Tammy.
John. Let's go.
John.
The app submitted. Wonderful
Way to
job.
go, Bijan.
Registered for convention. Have not yet. Do so.
All right.
All right.
Mr.
Come
Shalon
on,
in the
Brother Hans.
building.
Let's get it.
Here in Dallas.
Congratulations.
Leader for
Awesome.
the
Let's go,
Yes, sir.
Kimberly
Let's go,
Howard.
Miss
Oh,
Howard.
Lena.
Lena Smith. Let's get it.
We will be there.
See
See you
you
all
in
in
Dallas.
Dallas.
Let's go,
Miss
Gabriella.
Let's go,
Gabriella.
Gabriella. Miss
Let's
Monica.
go. Miss Monica. Let's get it.
Dallas.
Monica will be there in Dallas.
Congrats.
The
Baskervilles.
Baskervilles.
Let's go. Let's go.
Baskervilles.
In the
See you in
business.
Dallas.
And Sherry
In the building. We'll see you in the building.
Shy Coney.
Let's
Let's
go.
get it. Let's go.
Congrats.
Let's go, Miss
All right,
Fuller.
Miss
Let's go.
Paula.
Congrats. See you in Dallas.
Let's
See you
go,
in
Miss
Dallas. All right. Let's
Yes,
go,
Princess
Matt.
Miss
Let's go,
Princess
Miss
Matt. Let's
Tyrese.
get it.
See you in
Miss
Dallas.
Tyresha. Let's go. See you in Dallas.
Let's go. Awesome. All right,
Miss
Afshan. I see you in
Ashan.
Dallas.
Miss Christine. See y'all in Dallas.
John and Miss Christine will see
All
you.
right, Christine.
Awesome.
Let's
Let's
go,
go,
Miss
Tammy.
Tammy.
Let's go, Tammy.
Miss Tammy from the East Coast. See you in Dallas.
Way to get registered.
Let's get it.
Agree.
Way to get registered.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. Let's
Miss
go.
Betty
Miss
Valentine.
Betty.
Let's
North
get it.
Carolina.
Miss
I see
James
you.
Clark.
See you
Let's
in
go.
Dallas.
See James Clark, Pastor.
Pastor Clark.
Awesome. Let's go.
Right, Mr. Howard.
Let's get it.
Howard.
David Howard. David Carolina.
Carolina.
See you in
Let's go.
Dallas.
See y'all in
Okay,
Dallas.
Brittany.
Let's get it.
Let's go. Let's go,
Miss Sheila
Sheila.
Bolton.
Let's go,
Right,
Miss
Sheila
Sheila Bolton.
Bolton,
Let's
head
go,
of the
let's
show,
go.
Oh, Miss
Austin,
Michelle.
Awesome,
California.
Michelle.
Go,
Come on,
Michelle.
Pennsylvania.
Go.
Let's go, let's go. We are nationwide. Love it. Let's
Yes,
go, Nick.
Yes,
sir.
Let's
Yes,
go,
sir. Let's
Mr.
sir.
go, Miss
Rios.
Right,
Audra.
Let's
Nick.
go,
Nico
Miss
Rios, let's
Audra.
get it.
Yes,
All right,
Dallas,
See
Audra.
California.
you
Let's
in
Dallas,
go.
Dallas.
You.
keep 'em
Awesome,
coming,
awesome,
keep 'em
awesome.
coming.
Do we
Let's
have
get
more?
it.
Okay,
Oh,
We got
okay.
All
more.
right.
Let's
One
get
more.
it. Let's
let's
get it.
go
Let's
to
get it.
Here to
Denise. Let's
go,
go,
Mr.
Miss
Let's
Curvy
get
Get
it.
it.
See
Patel.
you
Let's
in
go
Dallas.
see you
Come
in
Let's go, let's
Dallas.
go.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
Awesome.
Let's go. All right,
Miss
Miss
Aida
Aida.
Ramirez.
on,
See
Aida.
Miss
you
Aida.
in
Aida,
Dallas.
See you in
Let's
Dallas.
go.
Awesome, awesome.
Amazing. Great job, everybody that registered. If you have not registered yet, I will want to see your name on there next week. All right, back to you, Miss Princessa.
Thank you, Marlena. Everybody doesn't know I speak uno poquito español. So, so what I like to do, we have two lovely ladies. I don't think I've had the pleasure of meeting you yet. But I need that screen back over there, please. Well, we have two lovely ladies. I would first like to bring up Miss Sheila Bolton, if you are in the building.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I have to get back on. Hi, everyone. Am I
Hi
talking now?
there. I can see you now. You're not driving, are you?
No, I'm actually pulled over because I just got off work. So I'm
Well,
sorry
thank
if
you.
my,
No, we can see you.
yeah,
Thank you for your commitment to pull on over. Be safety first. But I
yes,
understand
definitely.
that you are from Oakland/Stockton area.
Yes, I'm from Oakland, California. I just resigned in Stockton right now at the moment. But yes, I'm from the
That's
Bay
how
Area.
I
So,
feel.
yeah, right, just where I stay. Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Well, I want to first, if everybody could please put some ones in the chat. I understand we need to give you a little celebration. You passed your test. So you are
Yes,
a
I did.
licensed agent.
Yes.
Congratulations. That's a
Thank
big
you so much.
deal.
Yes, it
Yes.
is.
Go.
It
Yes.
feels
Very
good. Yes.
exciting. Yes. Tell us, what are your plans now? I know we have a couple of things we're going to mark off our list now that you've done that, right?
Yes, I am. I am in the process of marking off everything as I go along with it. I'm super excited. I was brought on by Mr. Suni Samad, and it's just been a great journey so far. I'm really excited about the entrepreneurship here and also learning financial literacy so I can teach other people who, may not understand it as much as I do. So yeah, I'm just excited for what's next.
Awesome, awesome. Can you tell us a little bit, maybe about your background and transitioning into this line of work since you're newly licensed?
Background meaning like where did I come from? What was I doing before I got here?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay. I was already entrepreneur in that type of field already. I'm actually a content creator outside of this, and then I also just came from like being a property manager. So I was
Oh,
doing
nice.
that. Yeah, but I love being creative. I love talking to people. I love motivating people. So this is kind of like right up my alley. I literally have over like 40,000 people that follow me right now online. So it's like
Oh,
I
wow.
can like move this to there and then get other people on board, which is really great. So that's why I'm super excited for this.
Oh, that is amazing. I'm sure you're going to have a huge impact. And once you've learned the things that we have here, it's just definitely going to complement with what you do. And definitely we want your knowledge as well. So we'll be pulling on your coattail. Do you have what are your goals, here with OIC?
Just to learn the business a little bit more, becoming a business director, that's at the top of my list. So I feel like I'm really good at, catching on really fast. So this will be something that, I look forward to. So that's really like my goal right now. And just the learning the financial literacy part is like my biggest thing. I really want to teach people like from the same neighborhoods or from the same communities that I came from, people who are living check to check, who are tired of that, especially like our family members who are tired of that because you can't get nowhere off of that. And then just learning to invest in yourself so you can make more money, just live the life you want to live. So
Absolutely. I love your passion. I guess, second to last question is there like, what is your why? Like your big, I understand the financial education. I come from where you come from, so I can definitely relate. I'm from Oakland, so I understand we look around and we want to give more to the community. But is there a huge why? Like, you know what, this is what I saw and this is what I'm going for.
my huge why is my children. I have kids and I don't want them to grow up in a way to where they feel like they have to live check to check and then just working for somebody else. I'm really big on like working for other people. I'm not really too big on doing that. I love working for myself, but I also like having teammates, business partners, people that can help go far. So I just want my children to feel the same way. I don't want them to get trapped in the rat race. So
That's a blessing. That's a blessing. Well,
yeah,
so far, it sounds like you are an amazing mother. So thanks for your commitment and
thank
your
you.
dedication. And I want to ask, is it okay that we hold you accountable as your sisters
Oh,
and brothers here?
absolutely. Yes. Yes. I love it. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, awesome. Well, we're so happy to have you on board. I can't wait to meet you in person because you're going to be in Dallas. So I'm excited
I
about
am.
that as well. So, yes,
Yes.
thank you for your commitment. If you need anything for any of us, definitely reach out. I'm excited about your future here.
Will do. And thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Yes, I'll call you. I'm coming to Oakland soon, so I'll be looking you up.
Okay, girl. All right.
Okay. We have another young lady that I'd like to highlight before we get into the evening. And I'm sorry, there she is, Miss Kaylin, is it?
Yes.
Okay, well, welcome, young lady.
Thank you.
I'm excited. I'm sorry, I do not know you yet, but now I'd love
It's
to get to
okay.
know you. And
Yeah.
where are you from? And just tell us a little bit about your background and what has you here at OIC.
Of course. So, hi everyone. I'm Kaylin Williams. I'm 20 years old and I live on Long Island, New York, but I go to school in Union, New Jersey. So, still in the East Coast, but obviously I have that stretch between New York and New Jersey under my belt that kind of helps with, getting acclimated to people and just like the opportunities around me. As far as how I found out about the opportunity, I had the privilege of learning about it through our lovely Hans Augustin over here. He had reached out to me about this opportunity, and because I'm a student, um, like a lot of other students, it's very important for us to learn the business that we like aspire to be in, but also just like have those like start building our skills early on. So as a student, I did find it very important to like start working on a skill set. And I am a finance student at my university. I'm a finance student and I have a what is it? A minor in computer science. So this field is not only one that I'm interested in from a career perspective, but just personally, it's something that I love. I love looking at business articles. I love reading business articles. I do it all the time. And my specific concentration is in equity analytics and research. So a lot of what we do or I will be doing soon in this business has a lot to do with valuing like clients' assets and what they can use to build their own wealth from the ground up. So it ties into a lot of what I want to do with equity research. But of course, building the parallels early on obviously is going to help me tremendously.
Wow. Wow. Thank you so much. I mean, I already can sense, and everyone else, please give some ones in the chat that Hans has brought on a gem here that is
Thank
going to
you.
definitely add to this platform with such value, and especially because you are the younger generation, I would like to say,
Yeah.
and as a college student. So, you guys probably, besides thinking about education, you're thinking about, okay, how I'm going to pay this off. So
Yeah,
you're just right in the middle where you can help a lot of people. I
of
understand. Like
course.
you just said, I believe your third year in college.
Yes, I'm almost done.
Okay,
Surprise.
that's amazing. So you're going to come out locked and loaded if you're
I
going for
hope. That's the
finance and
dream. Yeah.
yes, and you already went and got getting started right, your GSR certification
Yes.
through us. Yes. So you're actually ready. I think you got maybe a few more steps, right? Until you can hit the ground running.
Of
So
course.
thank you so much for your commitment. Will we see you in Dallas? I think that's the question.
Not this time. Sorry. Sorry,
Okay.
sorry. It sounds like a great opportunity, and I'm looking forward to hearing how that goes for everyone. But this year, I think with the onboarding and everything else, and also me soon to go back to school, I don't think I can do it this time around. This time.
Well, it's okay. I'm not going to count you out. I'm counting you in because of everything you just shared. Like I said, you're bringing a lot of value to the platform coming from the East Coast. So I already know how you guys roll. And we're here to support you in everything you do here on out. But yes, congratulations. I know you will pass that
Thank
test.
you.
That's like, so yep, just keep at
Thank
it. And I'm very proud of you. So yes. Thank you. And Hans, congratulations for bringing a superstar. I'm gonna have her call my daughter, who's 19. My
Matter
daughter.
of fact, Ms.
And
Prince,
you
if you
guys
don't
gonna
mind
do
me,
some tag team, and you can pour into her.
I got you.
So yes,
if you-
I love it. I mean, I mean, our whole team is a lot of young adults. So it's so nice, so refreshing, and you guys are hungry. So y'all coming with a whole new flavor, which I love. I love. So let's go ahead and
if Ms.
move
Princess, do you
on
mind
to
if I
the
add something about her
Oh
before you
yes,
close?
please.
I just wanted to make sure that from her perspective, she asked me why was she being spotlighted. And I said, like, anytime young professionals like her come on board, the one thing that I've seen her do in the last 30 days is pay attention. That's number one. Number two, she's literally moved the ball from studying the exam to taking the school exam to now actually scheduling the state exam. And one of the things that I love about what she's brought to the table for herself so far is that she's serious about where I see she's going to get accomplished. And I told her no matter what it is her future is, she already has all the tools that she need, and adding OIC is just another component of saying, hey, if you understand how money works today, then it's going to be easier for you to actually tell anybody you ever work with because you understand the personal finance. So I just wanted to say congratulations to you, Miss Williams, because I know you take this very serious and you're about your business. And I can smell winners any day of the week. And of course, I love the East Coast because she's right next door to Brooklyn. So I just wanted to celebrate her really quickly, but no disrespect to you, Miss Princess. I just
Thank
wanted to
Oh,
jump in really quickly.
you're not disrespecting me. No,
You're
it's
the
a
host this
blessing.
evening.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that, Hans.
I say you're the host this evening, so I didn't want to steal any
No.
thunder. No.
Your wisdom and knowledge, I'm not hogging the mic, so definitely you know her just a tad bit more than I do. So it would only be befitting that you say anything else about her. So thank you. I appreciate it. So we will now, you guys definitely want to get your notepads out because we're going to be learning how the onboarding process and everything works with Miss Christine and Natalie. So I'm going to go ahead and put my little mute button on. Miss Natalie and Christine, can you guys please highlight yourselves?
Hello, good morning, everyone. I would like to introduce myself first. I am Natalie Pakshal, one of the business coordinators for Supreme Team, but you can call me Lay. That is my nickname. So let's move forward. Let me share my screen first. Okay, so this is the Supreme Business Coordinator Guides. So our goal for today is to walk through the onboarding process and show them exactly what steps they take so they can start strong and stay aligned and consistent. A structured onboarding process is a very important because it helps improve efficiency, build confidence, and ensures long-term success in the business. So this is the general information for the new agent. So just a quick clarification, your .oic and our infinite.com email address are the separate accounts. So for .oic email is primarily for communicating with your support team whenever you have questions or need assistance. And for our infinite.com email address is where you'll receive newsletters, announcements, and other important updates from the OIC. So, OIC Back Office. Exploring how to navigate your OIC business through the back office web portal. This portal is your go-to resource for the instructional guides, business forms, contact details, and latest announcements, all designed to keep OIC associates informed and supported. You should have received an email from our home office to your login credentials. This for the non-licensed agent. So if you are a recruiter or you are a new agent, so first thing you will receive the initial email or the interview form. So we send a request for the new agent information. The subject email is request for new agent information. So email asking the new associate to complete the interview form. Please note the interview form is the key requirement, especially when endorsing agents to ERG. Even if the basic details such as full name, OIC code, contact information, license dates, and photo have already been provided by the recruiter. So what are the requirements or documents that you need to submit? First is your professional headshot. So if you already have your professional headshot, just send it to our email or send it to your business director to send us, because we'll create the welcome flyer for you. Then we'll post it on our Supreme group chat and to our Facebook pages. Then another is the copy of your life and health license and the copy of your E&O if applicable. So once you already access your back office, you will see the new carrier there, the American Standard Gold. So this carrier is the independent carrier. So what about American Standard Gold? American Standard Gold is the OIC's trusted precious metals company dedicated to helping individuals protect and diversify their wealth through tangible assets. ASG offers a premium selection of gold, platinum, and palladium products, along with specialist precious metals IRA services designed to support long-term retirement planning and financial security. So what is the good thing here for American Standard Gold? So even your non-licensed agents, you are able to submit your business. For the licensed agent receive 100% of their earned commission payout. But for the non-licensed agent, take note this one, non-licensed agent must submit business with a licensed agent, no exceptions. The commission will be split 50-50 with the licensed agent. The licensed agent is responsible for completing all the requirements before submitting business. So to all non-licensed agents, you are able to submit business but with a licensed agent. So if you want the contact for the American Standard Gold team, we already attached their contact information here, their numbers, and their email also. Okay, next is how to get licensed. So this is the first step, how to get your license. So you can find this file or this document on the welcome email that we sent to you. Reminder that if you are new agent and you know that you already created your .oic email, expect that we send to you the welcome email. So just check your .oic email, because once we already receive your .oic email, we send to you the welcome email that attach the onboarding checklist. So on that onboarding checklist, you will find this file on how to get your license. The first thing, the step one is review materials. And the step two, after you do this Excel solution or your review materials, is the next thing is to book your exam. Next, step three is fingerprinting, and the step four is to submit your license. So take note that must complete the step 2 and 3 before continuing to step 4. Again, where we can found this file. So once you already created your .oic email and you are a new agent, we'll send to you the welcome email. So on that email, we attach the onboarding checklist. Then on that onboarding checklist, you can find this file, how to get your license. Next is licensed agent. So get your ears and emission. So E&O coverage state requirement for all active licensed associates. If you have personal E&O coverage, please send a copy to a licensing at ourinfinite.com for approval. Also, if you send your E&O copy to the licensing, please don't forget to CC me and Miss Christine on that email because that copy is we need also that on our filing. Next is if you have none and would like to purchase with OIC, kindly send an email to licensing at ourinfinite.com stating that you are agreed to pay $30 a month to purchase an E&O coverage with OIC. For agents purchasing E&O coverage through OIC, please follow the steps to set up your payment method in the back office. So this is the step how to get your E&O through OIC. Next is navigate the account setting. Under the account setting, there's a E&O payment method. Then you can select credit card and submit. Once you're already done on that, just go here on update your credit card information. Just put your all credit card information and save it. Next is this the step-by-step how to be appointed to insurance carriers. First is you need to do or create your Insurance Bay account. So where you can find the link for how to create your Insurance Bay. So again, you can find it on the onboarding checklist that we attach on the welcome email that we sent to you. Next, first is you need to create your Insurance Bay account to the unique link from OIC. Next is to fill out your SSN number, your birth date, your .oic email, then confirm it, then just put your information, your name, your cell phone numbers. Then after that is just upload your documents, your AML or anti-money laundering certification, your E&O, and your license. Then after you did that, you can go and write your signatures. Then after you do that, you can request your appointment to any insurance carriers that you want to be appointed with. Then once we created or you created your Insurance Bay account, we'll inform the licensings that you already created your Insurance Bay account. And if you want to be appointed to National Life Group, so once we already inform the licensing and they email us back or they email you back that they already send you a separate email that contains your producer review, just do that ASAP as soon as possible, your producer review, because that is the prerequisite for you to get appointed with National Life Group. Just after you created your Insurance Bay account and you already informed licensing, then check your email because you will receive another email from the licensing with the producer review that you need to do ASAP because that is the prerequisite for you to get appointed to National Life Group. Next, number 7 is add the corporate and team meetings and trainings to your calendar. Number 8 is join education retirement group. So how to join education retirement group? First is please send us the copy of your life and health license. Next is appointed with National Life Group and or North American company. Next is filled out the education retirement group and filled out the enhanced email coordinator or opt-in form that we sent to you or the education retirement group coordinator sent to you. Next is join WhatsApp group chat. So if you know that you are like new agent and you are not joining or joined yet on our Supreme GC, just inform your recruiter or business director to add you on our group chat because we will post your welcome flyer there to welcome you in the group. Next is join Facebook group. So we have Supreme Team Facebook group, the Foundation Facebook group, OIC Community Facebook group, and education retirement group. So all those Facebook page, we post our announcements, our recognitions, and we also post our previous meeting on that Facebook groups. And if you are not joined, or if you are not available to join the meeting, you can find all the videos on that Facebook groups. Okay, next is Supreme YouTube channel. Again, if you are not available to the meetings, if you are not available to join the live meetings, we have a YouTube channel that you can subscribe. So it's named Supreme Life Business. So we post here our previous meetings. It is recorded, so you can rewatch it anytime to our YouTube channel. Next is on our link tree. So the link tree links is you can find it on our onboarding checklist also that we attach on the welcome email. Next is new agent milestone. So to set our new agents up for success, the following key steps should be scheduled with the recruiter and business director. Game plan interview, align goals, expectations, and create a clear path for success. Number 2, financial needs analysis. Understand clients' needs and practice building financial solutions. Number 3, grand opening. Officially launch the agent business and network. And that's all the information that we do in the back office.
Thank you so much. I would love to open it up if anyone has any questions. I know we have a lot of new agents on. So if you guys, this is the time for you to ask any questions, come forth, or you could put them in the chat. But let's open it up for questions for our amazing business administration, because they keep us all together lovely. Okay, I'm gonna look in the chat. Let's see, Miss Sally. Who is the brave bunny rabbit that's gonna
Nick,
I have
answer
a
the
question.
question?
hand up.
All
Go ahead,
right.
Nick.
Yes, Mr. Nick.
I just had a question about the I was navigating the back office and I was looking at like the personal website. Um when I was trying to set that up, I guess I kept getting like 404 error codes. So I wanted to bring that up and email you specifically, but just take advantage of this opportunity just in case anyone else is experiencing that as well.
Oh, on your personal website?
Yeah.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, if you want to view your website, you can open your back office, then go here on the marketing tools and view my website. Oh, I think,
That's what comes up. I think I've also heard that from a few other agents that it says error. So I don't know if it's an internal thing they have to fix. What do I see?
So what I would say, yeah, Nick, just email the tech department.
Okay.
So tech@ourinfinite.com. So anytime you guys run into a technical difficulty, anything technical, just email tech@ourinfinite.com. And Lay, while you're at it, go ahead and bring back up the dashboard and scroll down to where they can access all the different back office emails. Okay, because it's super important. You guys, when I first got here, go to contact us on the left. Contact us. Yes, ma'am. You guys, these are all the different, scroll down just a little bit, Lay. These are all your back office support systems. All right. Super important. Okay. For you all to have this, just an entrepreneur mindset to say, hey, I run a business. If I run into an issue, let me reach out to the back office and learn which departments solve which problems. So anytime you have a technical issue, you just shoot an email to tech@ourinfinite.com. Let them know. I will say be polite in your messages, you guys. The back office does work hard. They are human beings too. We have had people, that are just kind of, you know, I don't know. But anyway, polite. Catch more bees with honey than you do vinegar. Reach out to the back office, say hi, hi, how you doing today? And then say this is the problem that and they'll typically get back to you guys in like, 24 hours, if not the same day. All right. I heard somebody else speaking though.
I think it was me. I was saying that directory should also be available on the link tree towards the bottom.
Yes, ma'am. So it's in the link tree also that you guys are gonna get in that onboarding checklist. All right. Thank you, Marlena. I couldn't see you, but I know your voice. Anybody else? Any questions, you guys? Listen, please ask away, right? Because the whole purpose of today's meeting, I know this isn't everybody's favorite topic, right? But we want you guys to be very self sufficient and very fluid, right? As possible. And I know it's a lot of information. This is just kind of like an overview. As you guys develop your business, you'll figure out how to dot I's and cross T's from a back office standpoint. But we want things to go smooth for you, Nick. So thanks for asking that question as well for just other people also too. Anybody else have any questions in regards to onboarding or what Lay went over today?
I have a
I
question. Go
go ahead.
ahead, Bapatunde.
I um I was able to access the back office page, but while trying to do it, I actually tried to reset a password. But when I did that, I entered my code, my code, my partner code, but I never received the automated message. Even though I do now have a password to access the page, I'm just wondering, is it just because of timing that the email is not in the system yet, that I didn't receive the automated message to reset my password? It doesn't apply to me anymore since I do have a password, but I'm just wondering about that.
So when you enrolled and you
So I tried to log on, but I didn't remember my password until I looked on my phone because I have it stored in my phone.
Mhm.
And I just clicked on reset password, but I never got the automated message to reset the password. But then I found the password afterwards. So I'm just wondering, is my email in the system automatically once I enrolled?
I maybe can answer that
Go
Does that
ahead.
make
because
sense?
he had problems initially with his email when he processed the application in the beginning. So I'm not sure how that, if you fix that email, Baba Tunde, because remember your email wasn't processing initially. That's the email we use when we signed you up.
Okay, now I understand. But the email is active now. The Gmail account is active.
Okay, so it should go through.
Okay,
We could definitely look on the technical side and look more into it.
sounds good. Thank you very much.
Mhm.
Any more questions, you guys, before we wrap this up? Looks like it's gonna be an early night.
I have a question for when an agent is new, not yet licensed. They go through an orientation initially, right, as a non-licensed. And then once they pass their license, they do another meeting with our staff to help them with insurance pay and all of that. Is that correct?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Who's who who should be reaching out to them? Oh, did I lose
When
you guys?
when they pass their test.
Yes.
So it's a matter of us notifying back office that they passed their test, right? And then them scheduling that second onboarding meeting, right? So, for example, when Sheila passed her exam, I reached out to Lay, Christine, okay, whichever one. I put them both in all my emails because I want obviously who's available first, right, to take on that meeting. So I'll send a message and say, hey, now that Sheila has her license, please do her Sherelle C onboarding process so that we can get her contracted with a carrier ASAP.
Okay. Yeah, I just wanted that to be clear on who. So the person that brought them in or their business director.
Yes. Yes.
CC everybody
Mm-hmm.
and make it happen.
And I will say that too. And I'm happy you brought that up, Marlena, right?
Yeah.
Because you guys, CC your BD in all correspondence. If you're corresponding with back office, right? CC your BD for sure. And also CC our staff, which is Lay and Christine, right? Because now we got an all hands on deck kind of situation, right? So now we got 8 sets of eyes, right? Instead of just 2, trying to figure out how to solve that problem for you as quickly and as efficiently as possible. Okay. And when you bring somebody on board, right? You should be corresponding with that person, keeping them plugged in, right? Don't recruit somebody and leave them on the island. Okay. Right, especially if they're not licensed. That's not our culture. We kind of keep a close, right, create a relationship. That's why we do a game plan interview still with that non-licensed person, so that business director is also a part of that support system for that new person, right? So if a Kyrie comes on board through a Wilhelmine and he's not licensed, I'm still going to do that game plan interview because Kyrie's actually my responsibility as the business director. That's why I'm a business director, right? I can't depend on if the training associate brought him on board, I can't depend on a training associate to make sure that Kyrie's going to be okay. Right? So the business director, okay, is going to do a game plan interview and then help monitor the progression of his onboarding, his licensing, and getting him through the system, and then making sure that once he licensed, right, and he passes the exam, great. We're gonna send an email to the staff to say, let's do our Sherelle C license. Sherelle C appointment to get him appointed with a carrier as soon as possible, so we can get him profitable and get his business off the ground. Does that kind of make sense to you guys? Yeah, everybody good? Okay.
Yes, sir. Put some ones
Yes.
in the chat if we all good, you guys. Let him know. He has to see. If you don't see your face, he got to hear your voice. If he can't hear your voice, he got to see what numbers, what's happening. The chat got to be blowing up.
Thank you.
Okay.
Somebody
we got to get a post here. Okay. Well, thank you, Lay and Christine.
But I love it.
I would like to thank everyone for showing up in their business this evening. I want to know. Well, I did see there's a lot of people who have registered. If you haven't registered, you just saw that you are going to miss the train. Okay. And just to remind you as well that really the momentum starts now before we go, but we are going to come back and hit the ground running. And we want to see all of you there because this is when we get to see you in person. So register for convention if you haven't. Show up, be loud and proud. And can we exit? Anyone else have any more questions? I'm not gonna knock us out. We got 25 in the building. Anyone else have any questions? Okay, well, I want to thank Hans, Elena, Amanda, Babatunde, Becky, Betty, Kaylin, Shelly, Demetrius, Denise, Miss Fola, Princess Fola, George, iPhone, JC, Kyrie. Ooh, sound like I'm rapping. Kimberly, Marlena, Michelle, Nick, Sheila, Shy, nothing shy about Miss Shy, Tammy, and Miss Wilhelmine. Thank you all for being committed this evening. I can't wait till we pass the mic to you, and even for you guys to show up and do some of our business presentations. We need you. We need you because guess what? you're gonna shine. Okay, that's what this platform is here for. So I want to go ahead and sign off. Is that okay, Mr. Samad?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We good to
All
go.
right, God bless you guys. See you in the prayer. If you need prayer, you better jump in there. Come in the morning, 6 a.m. Other than that, we'll see you at our $1 million mindset call. Wake up and win in the morning. Go ahead. It's not 10 o'clock yet, so you guys can get some more numbers on the board.
I love it.
All right, you guys. Have a good
All
one.
righty.
See y'all on the $1 Million Baby in 30 minutes.
Yes, $1 Million Baby. We got time for the $1 Million
Baby in
Baby. Get your
30.
guests
Let's
on that.
go. All right.
Okay. Have a wonderful night. God bless.
Bye
God
bye.
bless this.